my creative fashionistas, welcome back to my channel. I'm creating this headpiece I have on my head along with my daughters, but I'm concentrating mostly on what I'm wearing on my head, because for them it was just a crown where I just roll the flowers over and just made a regular crown. But with my headpiece, I'm gonna go in detail on how I made it. So I got this stretchy little cloth that I already had around the house, and I put it around a regular CD, an old CD, to create that round surface. And in order to get it sewn, putting a mark around the CD to trace where I want to sew so I don't break my needle. Yeah, so I'm just going around that to help me trace the line really well. Okay, so I'm using that line. I'm just gonna sew over it to make my work easy. So at this point, I've taken it from the machine and flipping it over and stretching that little space I left over, because I realized that it was a little small for the CD to pass. So I'm stretching it open, and then I'm putting the CD right in there. And by the time I put that there, I go right back to the machine and cover it up. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use glue if you want. That's going to be faster and easy. Just however you want it. I wish I didn't use a blue thread. Don't mind me. Be pretty neat. But I was just grabbing any thread I found. Now those are the flowers. I got them from Walmart. They're pretty real looking. It's the fall. So I'm just folding them to the shape in which I would like for it to be placed on the flat plate in order to get it right on top. And I'm just tacking it here and there, just sewing it. No special pattern. I'm just doing it to the manner in which I would like for it to be fixed and comfortable. You can use your discretion. And I'm just going ahead tacking it here and there, tacking it here and there. Like I say, if you have glue and you would like to use a glue to do it, you can do that. I think you realize you can see those thread anymore because I'm placing the flower on top of where all those thread were, because I'm trying to make it look as neat as possible. I'm sorry I didn't get the footage really good. That's the problem with the DIY. I'm just trying to get used to recording DIY. So that's the finished product. That's how it looks on my head. And voila, that's how it look on the band. I hope you like this DIY. Tell me if you want to see more.